True.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cooler with the Cooper. I'm basically.
Hey guys, we got a special treat today.
Bro, these fries smell like Febreze. Don't touch.
The what smell like what?
The fries smell like Febreze. Jack in the Box fries.
They smell like Febreze.
Oh my gosh.
They probably disinfected our bag before they gave it to us.
You stupid.
You think they did that, babe?
They did do that.
Probably not.
Nah, they probably didn't.
Probably just had smelling my hand sanitizer.
Ah, that's what you smell in mommy's hand sanitizer. Anyway, guys. What? What?
It says hand sanitizer. It's hand sanitizer.
Oh, hand sanitizer. Look glad. Anyway, guys, we got a little treat. We just picked up the packages. Not one, not two, not three, but four.
Again.
Four. Again, please.
Fuck.
We got 4 packages. We're gonna bang out this challenge to see how good these two are with the taste buds.
The fresh hair.
Nobody cares.
What?
She's so ugly, bro. She get on my nerves.
Fresh hair, the fresh fit. Hold on, show them the fish.
Nobody's gonna show the fish.
Show them the fish.
They don't need to see the fit,
Let me see
bro.
the fish.
That's
Bro, you
good.
have the hairiest back I seen.
What she got, big dog?
The hairiest back I
The
seen.
hairiest back ever,
Yo, show them
dog.
the fish.
This fireworks.
Well, we on the way back to the crib. We about to set up this French fry challenge for you guys. I'm gonna go out on a limb, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick my winner of the challenge. Babe, you doing the challenge too? Just the kids?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go out on a limb, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick my winner.
What's the winner?
I think Joey's gonna win this challenge. Just being honest here. Marielle's taste buds are a little rocky at times. I bet you are gonna win with your greedy self.
You just said Joel's gonna win.
I think it's gonna be a
Mommy,
tie.
who do you think is gonna win?
I think where I am.
I'm gonna win, guys.
So?
I think it's gonna be a tie just because
I'm gonna make my mom proud, guys.
I'm dead. I think it's just.
About time.
I think it'll be both of y'all.
I'll just say that.
Y'all both pretty greedies.
Yeah, they both are. Bro, I don't know where your hands been. Like, you haven't washed nothing. You haven't
Smell it.
disinfected
No,
nothing.
for real, smell
Marielle,
it.
please stop.
Yeah, you heard your mom. You having a good day today, babe?
I guess so.
Looking lovely over there.
Look a mess.
You're looking like a pretty rooster.
A rooster?
Yep.
Yo, be quiet. Yeah, you're joking.
Bro, I'm ready to taste those fries,
You're
though.
not tasting fries.
Definitely about to give me some of them fries, though.
Oh, we should went to oh no, not Chick-fil-A because we can tell you
You're greedy, so just want to eat. All right, so cover your eyes.
So once again, we have
I can't see.
Burger King fries. We have McDonald's fries.
Okay, be quiet.
We have
Marielle, take off your glasses.
Wendy's fries.
Girl.
And we have, Jack in the Box fries.
Don't touch nothing. Just let me pour it first.
Yummy.
All right. Try that one.
These are McDonald's fries.
They're what fries?
McDonald's. McDonald's.
You think so? Mm-hmm. Take off your blindfolds.
And that was dang good.
You guys are annoying. Don't touch.
You can see, can't you, Joel?
I can't.
Oh, she can so.
It's black. I'm sorry.
All right. Taste.
These are dry.
I've never had these before.
These are definitely Jack in the Box.
You think so?
Jack in the Box.
Marielle, stop touching your blindfold.
I thought we was done.
What is it?
Jack in the Box.
All right, unflag.
Nope.
Many fries are dry.
Let them know.
So sure, Jack in the Box.
Let them
Jack
know.
in the
Wendy's.
Box.
Tell Wendy's what their fries is. Let them know.
Many, your fries are dry.
You know what I mean?
We might have some seconds. So yummy.
Don't touch me. All right.
So out of all of those, what's your favorite?
McDonald's.
The Jack in the Box is pretty good though. Cause I was tasting them, I was putting them down.
The Wendy's are the baddest fries I ever tasted right here.
They're nasty?
It's so dry.
The Jack in the Box is bomb.
Damn.
What up?
You can go now.
I don't know. Hold up. McDonald's? No. It's Wendy's and Burger King.
Which one you got, Joey?
Wendy's and Burger King.
Ooh.
Hold up, can I give me some more time?
All right, go ahead. Take your time.
It's Wendy's and Burger King.
Okay, Papa, you got it right. That's it. Shh.
I did?
Hold up. Burger King and McDonald's.
Mm-mm. Can we take a breakfast walk?
Burger King McDonald's.
Can we take a breakfast walk?
Was it Burger King and McDonald's?
Here.
You're welcome.
No way. Do it again, bro. Do it again.
What was it?
It was.
Oh, okay.
It was.
Burger King McDonald's.
And what'd you have?
I said Burger King and I said Burger King Wendys.
That was right. That's what I said. Why are
You guys had different ones. That's why.
I'm talking to her. He's talking about some. What?
This ain't both of us are right.
So it was a pie or what?
It was good.
Jack in the Box fries are pretty good too.
You like Jack in the Box fries? Okay.
I'm on McDonald's all the way.
You can have all of it.
McDonald's all the way.
McDonald's are my favorite fries, but these are pretty good.
Really? We have to try their food too. We got a special guest here. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Alright, guys. So
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, turn your post notifications on, and share this video with all your friends.
yep.
And thanks for tuning in today, guys, and hope you guys enjoy the next video. Peace out. And
Everyone, make sure to be yourself. Do not be a father, guys. Goodbye.